Okay, now on number 7, f of x is still equal to x squared plus 3x, and they want to find a formula for r sub n on the interval from 2 to 5, and then we're going to calculate the area from 2 to 5 of f of x dx by taking the limit. So this is definitely the long way to do a problem like this, because obviously using the fundamental theorem of calculus would be a whole lot more fun. So let me see if I can get this done in just a few minutes. All right, r sub n is equal to delta x times the sum as j goes from 1 to n of f of a plus j delta x. So in this case, it's going to be 2 plus j delta x. All right, well, what is delta x? Delta x is b minus a over n, because this is a plus j. This is b minus a over n. N is, in this case, unknown. That's a capital N. So this is going to be 3 over n. All right, so this is going to be 3 over n. And the sum as j goes from 1 to capital N of f of 2 plus j times 3 over n. Okay, so that looks pretty scary. And so what you're going to need to do then is plug 2 plus 3j over n in for x. So this is going to be 3 over n, sum, j goes from 1 to n. Notice f of x is x squared plus 3x. So you're going to plug this in for x in that. So it's going to be 2 plus, I'm going to just write this as 3j over n squared plus 3 times 2 plus 3j over n. Okay, now you're just going to have to do some work on this. But if you FOIL this out and do a bunch of computation here, you should get 3 over n, and you can do this. J goes from 1 to n. If you FOIL this out, you will get 10 plus 21j over n plus 9j squared over n squared. All right? And that was just by, I mean, it would be messy, but you'd have to go through and just multiply all these out and use distributive property and collect like terms and such. Okay, so then this is going to be 3 over n. Now, you can distribute the summation through, and you can take out what is a coefficient in front. So remember, the sum of all the of 10 n times is just going to be 10n. So this is 10n plus, all right, 21n comes out in front, 21 over n, and the sum of the j's, remember that's Gauss's formula, n times n plus 1 divided by 2, or n squared, let's see, n squared over 2 plus n over 2, right? So that was a little bit better way to think of it. These are from the formulas. Plus now the 9 over n squared comes out, but the sum of the numbers squared, what was that formula? That was your n cubed over n cubed over 3 plus n squared over 2 plus n over 6. All right. Okay, and now you can distribute, we can do some distributing and cleaning up here to see what we would get. And in the interest of time, because it's only a 5 minutes on these little videos, you're going to, you can distribute through, cancel what you can. You get 141 over 2 plus 45 over n plus 9 over 2n squared. So that's your formula. And then the limit as n goes to infinity of 141 over 2 plus 45 over n plus 9 over 2n squared, that's just going to be 141 over 2, which is the answer for this problem.